Woo! Hangos. Hello mga Kaspiro. Mayong buntag. Hello Cebu. Woo! Kuanto guys. Ikan ko nag 10 kilometers. Morning run. Whew. Pakondisyon guys para di mawa atong fitness level. Pinigbalik na tog diving. Usapod sa makapakondisyon sa inyo ha mga Kaspiro is maka-workout pod mo, maka-run mo, namoy cardiovascular workout like running, anything that involves cardio, which is either running, basketball, jogging, walking. Importante maglihok ang lawas so that ang function sa imong heart ug imong lungs pirmi kondisyon. Unya dali paspas imong recovery, dili ka mag hyperventilate. So muna, one of the best things to do also if you're a Spiro is you have to maintain fitness level, and at the same time kuan pod you maintain pod ang breath hold workouts. So muna mga Spiro, you have to exercise also every day aside from breath hold workouts, apnea workouts, dynamic and static breath holds. You have to do cardio, running para maayog hapon atong vascular function when we get back to diving. Our fitness level is still really good. Mayo ang beat sa atong heart, low rate, and paspas atong recovery. And ang kanindot kay so grateful because wapo kayang weather. Walay pollution diri guys. I was like running the whole time 10 kilometers. I was on a loop. Onya wagi aso dili polluted ang smoke. And Bugnaw it's like 18 degrees Celsius right now. Maski nice sunlight, onya cloudy day pag yun. So lami gid guys, lami ensayo. So when I run pod guys, I use this 2-pound weight wrist strap para bugat ako ang arms. At the same time mas mugaan ang ako ang leg workout. Alright,